So I really was not planning to make this video today, but fortunately enough, I just received this in the mail. And yes, I have been waiting for this for a very long time. And then I was lucky today that I had a chance to get it. And whew, you know, I can't remember when I actually bought this and I paid for this, but I know that it has been a long time and I have been waiting for this. Since the day that I got this, I stopped playing Switch, so that's new, that's what's happened. But alongside that, I still have my Switch and I still play with it a little bit, but yeah, I'm not that crazy about it anymore as I used to be when I originally ordered this. I think I ordered this at the beginning of 2019. But anyway, so here's the packaging. First of all, I love the packaging. It's really nice. I love the coloring. Reminds me of a Switch packaging. And that is all fine and dandy. Right inside of here, we have one box that I think houses cable. This is USB type C. So this is the charging cable. Let me zoom out a little bit. And the nice thing about this cable, and by the way, I'm sorry about this video the way that it is. I just really wanted to push this out as soon as possible. Let's open this. Yeah, there you go. So I like that they have this like a L-shaped USB type C. This way it's not gonna be that bad. This is nice. This could work. I like it. It's just a long USB type C cable, so you're not stringed to it. This is good. What else do we have in here? Oh, stickers. Stickers. I love stickers. You know where I'm gonna put this? Little nice travel case. You could put it in there. That's what she said. A little user manual, very typical. The user manual inside of everything nowadays. And let's go inside of the box. We have, depending on what country you're traveling or you are from, you have different type of ports. This is nice. Look at that. So wherever I go, I'm covered. Weird outlets. Simple one. Simple. Very simple. These, they look weird. Yeah. And that's about it. And this is the highlight of the day. Look at that. This looks really nice. It's supposed to charge your Nintendo Switch while giving you access to an HDMI and having a USB type C able to connect to it. So this is gonna be your dock, and this is not gonna break your Nintendo Switch, or as they claim, because I have not tested it for a long time. No, or as they claim, because I have not tested this. And I don't know how it's gonna act or how it's gonna react, but as of right now, this is it. This is what it looks like. It's the back of it. This is the front of it. And yeah, GENKI. The first item that I bought from them was their headphone adapter, and I loved it. And now this one, this is gonna be a game changer. This is really small charger. So I'm excited to use it. I'll use it and I'll let you guys know the update.